So here's my support ticket. All I'm going to do is open the Macha AI Co-Pilot and I'm going to speak to the Copilot. Hey, can you find relevant documents in my knowledge base related to this ticket and share them with me? And also add an internal note with a possible solution to the customer's problem. And lastly, can you update the issue category to webhook issue? Now the AI is analyzing my request. And there you go. It's given an answer as well. It's found relevant documents in Notion and it's asking me if you proceed in an internal note. So I'm just going to say yes. So I'm going to approve the internal note and it's asking me if you should update the issue category. It's asking me to approve. And you see the issue category has been updated to webhook issue. It's as simple as that. I've solved this ticket and taken actions on the complete ticket by just giving it a voice prompt and approving actions. This is the future of AI on Zendesk. If you want early access to this, please sign up with your email in the link provided. We're excited to work with you on this.